Hello everybody. My name is Vikas Desai. I am the cybersecurity advisor for Asia Pacific for IBM. Today I'm going to share with you one very interesting use case about the application of machine learning and artificial intelligence in the security domain, in the security space. What we are going to look at is a very specific problem that almost everybody faces. How do you make sure that the person who he or she is claiming to be is the right person, right? That's where we use two factors and a lot of other things. So in this, I'm just going to do a quick demo for you to show you this is the portal that we have. Now this could be a portal for any organization. It could be an email portal, it could be a bank, it could be an insurance agency, a government agency, or your e-commerce portal, right? You're buying something off the stuff. Most of the time, what organizations tend to use is some form of two-factor or multi-factor to distinguish between people, right? To make sure that the people are the same who they are claiming to be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log in into this portal of mine, and you will be able to see the login and the password. The idea is that there is a machine learning algorithm at the back end, at the server, which is going to distinguish between me and somebody else entering my credentials. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I've done a mistake, no problem. I can go back and I can log in. You might have noticed you've seen my password, and there you go. So I did a mistake, I went back, I cleaned it, I retyped it, and it still worked fine. And you saw the green bar, which basically means that the system thinks that it is Vikas who's trying to log in as Vikas. Now let's see what would happen if my colleague Phil here, who tries to log in as me. Phil? Yes. And all the best.
Okay.
Okay. So as you notice, Phil has entered my login and my password, and the system doesn't think that it's Vikas for obvious reasons, right? So the way this technology works, and it looks like magic, I know, but the way this technology works is we have a machine learning algorithm at the back end, at the server, which basically is looking at how you type, how you interact with this page, right? How long do you press your keys? How fast are you typing? How long do you keep the keys pressed? How much time you take to go from key 1 to key 2? And do you give preference to your left hand, to your right hand? Do you use caps lock? Do you use shift keys? It looks at all this data, all this information. It builds a pattern about you. It looks at your mouse movements. It builds a pattern about you, and then it tries to see if this is the same pattern that it would expect Vikas to do when he is interacting with the portal. So that's what it uses. It's not magic. It's machine learning and a lot of data science that's involved in there, right? And this is how we can use it. As you noticed, it was completely transparent. Phil or I did not have to do anything special to make it work, right? It's completely transparent and it's quite accurate. So that was it. This was a short demonstration of one of the demonstrations of how machine learning is being used in the domain. Let us know if there is any way we can help you utilize this technology in your domain, in your place, in your organization. We can help you make it more secure.